The Stellar Lumens network stays famous with financial backers intrigued by autonomous decentralized projects. Specialists perceive Stellar as a famous crypto project, drawing in financial backers searching for the best venture stages. In this video, we mull over various market feelings on Xlm exchanging points of view and investigate different Stellar Lumens drawn-out cost conjectures. Outline of the Stellar network. Heavenly is an open-source network for monetary standards and installments. Lumen, its local digital currency, is exchanged on trades under the Xlm ticker. The task was created in 2014 by a non-benefit establishment run by Joyce Kim and Jed McCaleb, the previous prime supporter of the Ripple stage and proprietor of the scandalous crypto trade Mt. Gox, which he had deserted before the security issues started. The Stellar organization depends on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP. While its instrument looks like the Byzantine fault tolerance (BFT) convention of the Ripple stage, there is a crucial distinction. In the SCP convention, all validators are equivalent and can convey hubs to frame new blocks. Making the convention component a compromise was chosen. There are no focal control hubs on the blockchain, however, in the event of aggregation of numerous hubs and dubious action, the whole Stellar organization gets frozen for the sake of security. The undertaking's engineers focus on the framework's adaptability. While the Bitcoin network is intended to manage exchanges just with Bitcoins, Stellar is a decentralized framework that is appropriate for exchanges with any sort of resources. Simultaneously, the task group centers around the stage's straightforwardness and productivity. Xlm Price Predictions for 2022 by experts. Xlm is a promising advanced cash. Its cost has an incredible potential to ascend because of customary convention refreshes, environment development, and the securing of large accomplices. With the positive condition of the crypto market and the further advancement of the undertaking, most crypto examiners expect that in 2022, lumens might be exchanged at a normal of $0.3 $0.4. By 2023, the Xlm cost could arrive at the degree of $0.5. Likewise, read the video about the following huge cryptographic money 2022. Heavenly Price Prediction 2022. As indicated by the specialized examination of Stellar costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Stellar will be 16 cents. The most extreme level that the Xlm cost can reach is 18 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 16 cents. Xlm Price Forecast for May 2022. In view of the value changes of Stellar toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Xlm pace of 13 cents in March. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 12 cents and at 13 cents, separately. June 2022. Stellar Price Forecast. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the Xlm cost in April 2022. The base exchanging cost may be 13 cents, while the most extreme could reach 14 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Stellar may be around 13 cents. Xlm Price Forecast for July 2022. Crypto examiners have actually looked at the value variances of Stellar in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Xlm rate they foresee may be around 14 cents in May. It can drop to 13 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 15 cents. August 2022. Stellar Price Forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Xlm cost will be exchanged at 4. In August, the Stellar expense might drop to at least 15 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 16 cents in August 2022. Xlm Price Forecast for November 2022. Having investigated Stellar costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Xlm rate could arrive at a limit of 17 cents in September 2022. It may, in any case, drop to 15 cents. For September, the determined normal of Stellar is almost 16 cents. December 2022. Stellar Price Forecast. Around mid-2022, the Stellar expense will be exchanged at the typical degree of 16 cents. Crypto investigators expect that in October 2022, the XLM cost could change somewhere in the range of 16 cents and 18 cents. Heavenly Price Prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Stellar in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Stellar will be around 23 cents. The most extreme expected XLM cost might be around 27 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 24 cents in 2023. Heavenly Price Prediction 2024. In view of the specialized investigation by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Stellar, in 2024, XLM is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs. About 33 cents and 40 cents, individually. The typical expected exchanging cost is 34 cents. Heavenly Price Prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have dissected the costs of Stellar and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base XLM cost could drop to 48 cents, while its most extreme can reach 57 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 50 cents. Heavenly Price Prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Stellar by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least